So, welcome guys to our first podcast at Masa. So, we haven't decided on the name yet, but yeah, we'll get to it as quickly as possible. So, this is our being our first podcast. So, it is with our team members itself. So, it will be an informal one, but we'll try to bring in some formality just to be formal. So, let's start with the introduction. I'll ask everyone their introduction. The introduction doesn't mean you have to give your name and your position. It's not that. I want you to share one incident from the mesa that you remember and you'll remember for ahead in your life. So let's begin with the Siddhi.
विद द सिद्धि तो ऐसे तो बहुत इंसिडेंट्स हैं बट ठीक है लाइक रिजेक्शन बहुत मिला है मुझे मेसा में. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैंने जब SY में अप्लाई किया था इंटरव्यू मतलब मेसा में तो मेरा फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस मार्केटिंग था एंड देन इवेंट मैनेजमेंट. तो मुझे मार्केटिंग से रिजेक्ट कर दिया था एंड मुझे इवेंट मैनेजमेंट मिला. एंड देन जब TY में मैंने कोर के लिए अप्लाई किया तो मैंने वाइस प्रेसिडेंट के लिए अप्लाई किया, रिजेक्टेड. सोशल मीडिया हेड रिजेक्टेड. तो इवेंट मैनेजमेंट वापस. इवेंट मैनेजमेंट बहुत लॉयल रहा है मेरे से.
Oh, loyal. So,
Yeah.
Atharva.
Yes. So, hi everyone. I'm Atharva Vankar.
Hi
I
Athar.
joined MESA at SY. I was in the marketing team, which was the most successful team of our time. And currently I am social responsibility cell head, which has a job I also don't know. And yes, that's all.
It's like a Messa's branch of NSS.
Yes, MESA's branch of NSS. We did one event of campus cleaning, and that was the most amazing event of Team MESA.
Wow.
Shravani.
Okay. So starting with, I'm Shravani Vaksare, first of all. I'm Human Resource Manager in Team MESA. So according to me, a Human Resource Manager is someone who interacts with everyone nicely. And I think so I'm good at talking to everyone and keeping people busy in the team. So yeah, in second year, I joined as social media member. I hardly worked in social media and I worked everywhere else.
I remember. The only work she had was taking the BTS of the entire event.
I brought sponsors. I helped in event management team.
So she was like reserve team of
We
Mesa.
were critics, best critics of MESA in SY. Like इवेंट मैनेजमेंट भी कोई काम नहीं था एंड हम दोनों बस लोगों को मोटिवेट करते थे तो सोशल मीडिया वालों को, so दैट वो अपना वर्क
Upgrade करते रहे.
Update
हाँ,
करते थे.
भाई.
हाँ.
उनमें टैलेंट था बट उन्हें पता नहीं था कि वो ऐसा कर सकते हैं. तो हम बहुत रिस्पॉन्सिबल है MESA के अपग्रेड के लिए.
Raj.
Oh, wow. Thank
या
So, hello. I'm Raj, that marketing guy. And actually, I wanted to be in event management team, but I got rejected. Then I applied. Yes.
I heard you wanted to be HR manager.
No. Yes, I also wanted to be an HR manager, and I still want to be.
By the way, guys, like this guy pretty nailed in engineers day marketing, nailed at esports marketing, and Adhyay is there. So talking about his work, like engineers day, I remember like there were 728 plus registration that we had. That was pretty big event that we conducted in early beginning of the semester. So yeah,
Let's talk about Adhyay.
Adhyay. So, talking about Adhyay, I would like to share one story with you. I mean, you guys must be knowing it, but for our audience, like I heard this story from our seniors. So, like our super senior, like our ex-president, Shreyash Mogavira. So, in his term, they were brainstorming on an event that they want to conduct. So, while doing so, they came across this Adhyay kind of thing. And yeah, they were in cafeteria, and within an hour or so, they just contacted the
I guess
guest.
Akin was the president that time.
Yeah, Akin.
Adya
And
first.
Shreyash
Yes.
Mogavia was
Adya
vice
second.
president.
Vice president.
Right.
And they had the speaker and they decided within an hour that they
Yeah.
will conduct a session.
And the guest was also ready.
Yes.
Saurabh Bhosle.
Yeah, thank you for correcting me. To be honest, I'm DSY student, so I didn't know that who was the president at that time.
Loyal members.
OG members.
OG members.
So yeah, that's how Adhyay began. Like I didn't attend Adhyay first, so I want you guys to share your experience about Adhyay 1.
we did attended Adhyay, and the topic for that Adhyay was startup versus jobs, I guess.
I think speakers spoke pretty much everything except starts versus jobs. Yeah.
The questions were from everything, such as UPSC, then reels, shorts, and all.
YD.
YD.
That was the main point.
That was the main point.
But yeah, I think that was the best motivational session I've ever attended, and it was perfect in every way.
Yes.
And like Adhyay just started, like start हुआ था, and 600 plus crowd था. That was amazing. Like
yes.
first start में,
Yeah,
first
in
go
first
में
go
ऐसा.
600,
Yes.
that was an epitome.
हाँ.
Phenomenal.
Still
So
we
that-
are afraid कि
Like
that set a benchmark for us only, that next time we have to do
हाँ.
much
Yeah,
better.
much better. Yes.
so next time also 800 plus आए थे, I guess.
I
Yes,
think,
800
हाँ,
plus were
Adhyay
there.
दूसरा.
Adhyay Dusra. Yeah, at that time we were recruited.
Recruiter. New recruiters.
I remember it was my first event in Mesa after being recruited. Yeah. So the guest was Sir Vinayak Mamuni sir, IAS officer.
Nice officer.
He was all India rank 95. So he worked in IBM. He was chemical engineer. Later, after 2 years of service
Working
in
in
corporate,
Corporate.
he left that and joined the civil services. And the talk was pretty much motivational, and most importantly, it was more interactive.
हाँ.
It was not just that the guest was only speaking about his stories, and it wasn't like that. The questions were of all walks.
You
the
remember?
most important property of him was like he was very humble, like
Yes.
grounded. I remember that I asked question to him and I was very nervous about that, and he gave a 15-minute reply for that question. But what I want to say is that the humbleness that guy had,
Carries, yes.
yeah, that was pretty extraordinary.
Along with that, a backstage story that we want to share.
Yes, that story was the most missing part.
So we are a team of 50 and
55 at that time.
55.
Around
55.
55, 56.
OG members.
So 55 members after the event. So sir came and we all were like, we wanted an individual photo, a picture with him. And like there were 55 members, one after the other taking clicks. And this person never refused to any click. Like
Yes.
55 people from Mesa got to click an individual photo with him.
That's the part of an IAS officer.
Let's also talk about the legacy of the Adhyay guys. Like we are in teams, we are in clubs, we know how difficult it is
To manage an
to
event.
to convince people or to tell people or to make people come to the auditorium hall and fill this auditorium hall with more than 800 students.
मुझे तो
Like-
रात को सपने आने लगे.
Like I remember the last 3 days of our marketing. We literally went to each and every single class, each and every student. We did marketing stunts. We convinced them somehow to come to our event.
Like the last week
Yes.
जब event का होता है, बहुत hectic होता है. And like वो पूरा week कैसे निकलता है ऐसे पता नहीं चलता.
पर जब वो इवेंट होता है,
हाँ, और then वो जो relief होती
we are on the
है.
top of the world at that time. Yes.
And luckily we have got that response. Like
हाँ.
it feels like
Mesa-
our
Mesa को
hard work
मिलता
has
है
paid off.
response.
Yes.
Mesa को
Mesa deserves it.
Efforts
guys.
होते हैं ना उसके पीछे.
We deserve it. We are the best.
टीम Mesa family होती है उसके पीछे.
Efforts.
Yes.
फैमिली के सभी लोग अपने
It is
प्रॉब्लम्स
quite a
साइड में रख
friend.
के
It is quite a friend.
Yeah.
फैमिली के सभी लोग लगते हैं
We have a
प्रॉब्लम
pretty good bonding, guys.
Yes.
So this year's Adhyay, So this year's Adhyay is another milestone in itself. So like we have Air Marshal
Yes.
Sanjeev Kapoor sir, and like this rank that he holds is the second highest position in IAF.
Indian Air Force.
Yeah. So Adhyay 3 had there were two major contributors to this event. One, Siddhi. Second, marketing head.
Raj Kadam.
Reason being, Siddhi got the point of contact of
SPOC.
single point of contact. Yeah.
Yes.
बहुत मैटर कर रहा है.
Yeah. Then about marketing, Raj. Thanks for bringing in the sponsors. Thanks for the marketing.
बट पैसा आने दीजिए पहले. पैसा अभी तक नहीं आया.
आएगा.
आएगा बट इट विल.
मुझे शेयर करना है दैट सबसे पहले अथर्व वांकर ने अप्रोच किया था, वन ऑफ हिज फ्रेंड्स ऑफ एयर मार्शल. तो वी गॉट रिजेक्टेड अगेन.
अभी तो आदत हो गई है रिजेक्शंस की.
तो मैं तो आई वाज डिटरमाइंड कि नहीं मुझे ऐसी पर्सनालिटी चाहिए ही. लाइक ऐसे अभी तक कोई आया नहीं है कॉलेज में कोई ऐसा गेस्ट. तो आई वाज डिटरमाइंड कि मुझे ऐसा पर्सनालिटी चाहिए. एंड यू नो अब मुझे कोई चीज़ दिखती है एंड मुझे कोई विजन आता है ना, तो मुझे करना ही होता है वो.
मुझे याद है मैंने सिद्धि को बोला था कि इन्होंने
हाँ.
बोल दिया है कि अब नहीं आ रहे वो, तो हमें दूसरी पर्सनैलिटी को ढूंढना चाहिए. बट शी वाज डिटरमाइंड कि हमें मिलिट्री बैकग्राउंड का ही कोई तो चाहिए.
हाँ, लाइक हमने वापस से अक्टूबर में अप्रोच किया था, वी गॉट रिजेक्टेड. देन वी गॉट हमने वापस से ट्राई करा था दिसंबर में आई गेस. एंड देन उन्होंने वापस रिजेक्ट किया और इस बार एक कांटेक्ट दे दिया हमें.
You can take it.
हाँ, तो फिर वहाँ से हमने अप्रोच किया सर को.
Yeah.
मुझे याद है जब इसने मेरे को बोला था कि एयर मार्शल आ रहा है,
हाँ,
आई वाज लाइक सच में एयर मार्शल आ रहा है.
Yeah, the same reaction that I
सेम
had.
रिएक्शन हमें याद है.
मुझे वो ईमेल देख के ऐसा वेव आई थी. ओह माय गॉड, क्या दे दिया इन्होंने.
But yeah, the backstory needs to be heard. Like the entire planning to getting
Journey.
guests on board, to getting sponsors on board.
जर्नी.
Like there is a lot of backstory to it. Like all the teams go through it.
Yes.
But yeah, need to talk about that more on next podcast.
Yes.
उसके
और
लिए
separate
पॉडकास्ट अलग से लगेगा.
Efforts.
एफर्ट्स की, मेसा फैमिली की.
So
Yeah,
talking about the
but
guest.
we are still doing this event despite all the problems and
Yeah. There were
Journey.
there are a lot of hurdles in this journey of getting this guest on board. Yeah.
so yes, I think you are the point of contact for
Single point of contact.
single point of contact. So I think you know the best about him.
Also she had contacted for him couple of times, so
Yes.
she knows about the guest very well. So I request Siddhi to talk about guest, not his formal rankings or position, but him as a person.
तो सर से मेरी काफ़ी बार कॉल पे बात हुई है. एंड वो हमेशा कहते हैं कॉल पे कि मैं टाइप करने वाला था इतना, बट इतना कौन टाइप करता, तो मैंने कॉल कर दिया कि ही इज़ वेरी हम्बल एंड उनकी एज अराउंड 60+ है एंड नाउ ही इज़ रिटायर्ड.
Yeah.
सो काफ़ी उनकी हॉबीज़ है, गोल्फ वगैरह. वो काफ़ी उन्होंने जो फ़ोटोज़ सेंड कर या उनकी स्टोरी से भी दिखता है, लाइक काफ़ी बिजी रहते हैं वो अपने हेल्थ वगैरह के लिए.
Right.
एंड काफ़ी मीटिंग्स अटेंड भी करते हो. अभी उनकी राजनाथ सिंह से लेटेस्ट मीटिंग हुई थी. ऑल्सो लाइक जब वो मुझसे बात करते हैं वो मेरे बारे में भी बहुत पूछते हैं एंड बहुत अप्रिशिएट करते हैं वो दैट यू नो ये आप MBA करोगे ना तो भी आपको एक्सपीरियंस नहीं मिलता जो आप लोग इस एज में कर रहे हैं. एंड सो काफ़ी प्राउड मोमेंट है हमारे लिए ये दैट हमें ऐसा इतना प्रेस्टिजियस पर्सनालिटी हमें
Credit कर रहा है.
Credit.
क्रेडिट कर रहा है हमारे
इवन
वर्क के लिए.
हम जब मार्केटिंग के लिए जाते हैं तो खुद स्टूडेंट्स बोलते हैं कि जब एयर मार्शल आ रहे हैं
हाँ.
तो बताने की कोई जरूरत ही नहीं है.
जरूरत नहीं है.
नाइस.
मुझे याद है मैं एचओडीज के पास गया था, मैं और श्रावणी गए थे,
हाँ
तो सारे एचओडीज का रिएक्शन था कि सच में एयर मार्क चला रहे हैं, उससे बात करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, फिर हम
Wow.
भेजेंगे स्टूडेंट्स को। तो
कि
वो
मतलब,
बहुत ही
हाँ।
अमेजिंग मोमेंट था।
लाइक हमें रियलाइज नहीं होता दैट हम कितना लाइक अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, या हम बस
Until and unless it's executed
हाँ.
and we get a
Yes.
good response.
रिस्पॉन्स पे भी हाँ लाइक काफी स्ट्रेस है यार इधर।
As of now, it's pretty hard.
Yes, that's a D-Day for us.
Yes.
So we are recording this podcast like 3 days prior to the event. Like everyone took off their some time out of their busy schedule. So I thank them. Thank everyone.
Very busy.
Very busy scrolling reels.
मैं इंस्टा पे नहीं हूँ।
YouTube
You
shorts.
scroll short.
हाँ सो सर के बहुत अचीवमेंट्स है बहुत, एंड ये मुझे लाइक थोड़े बहुत याद है, बट जितने बहुत काफ़ी है उनके अचीवमेंट्स। लाइक 39 इयर्स का एक्सपीरियंस है, सर्व उन्होंने सर्व किया है, एंड 7,800 फ्लाइंग आवर्स,
Accident free.
एंड
Accident.
एंड उन्हें उनके पास लाइसेंस भी है, एंड he has also been a commandant at NDA Khadakwasla and commandant at Air Force Academy Hyderabad, and he has been like former Director General of Air Force.
Inspection and safety.
He holds 4 master's degree.
Damn.
4 master's degree.
इधर बीटेक नहीं हो रही हमारे।
He has like 3 master's degree and PhD, MSc, Master of Science in Defense Studies, Masters of Management Studies, Masters in Philosophy, and a PhD degree.
Wow.
अरे बाप।
Quite heavy.
Beside serving 39
Many
years,
years.
Yeah.
he has all these degrees, and like I have बहुत contributions हैं उनके।
Yeah, it is
कितना
a
सीखने की जरूरत है
हाँ,
हम सबको।
correct,
Like,
correct.
हमारी जनरेशन
Like
बहुत
how to
demotivated
manage work and studies.
it's actually going to be a very interesting session.
Talking about that, I remember Siddhi talking about like guest himself wanted like the adhyay to be more interactive.
हाँ.
Yes.
So
He has mentioned this a lot of times that I want the session to be interactive, like I want the students to ask questions to me.
Yeah, like it's a sign of very good leadership. Like
yes.
only speaking, like it's not that much influential.
Like,
but when you're interacting,
it becomes a monologue after 15 or 20 minutes.
Yeah.
It's like he himself will be aware of that. As a student perspective, he himself would have suggested this thing. And like he suggested this, I request you students watching this to take a full
like
Advantage.
advantage or
advantage of this opportunity to interact with such high eminent personality.
eminent personality.
your life will be changed, guys.
Yes.
He will also become
Only
a
if you
TEDx
remember the
speaker
answers.
now. He will also become a TEDx speaker now
Yeah.
on 16th tomorrow.
Tomorrow, yes.
And also, let's talk about his family too. Like his daughter is in army, right?
Yes,
Air Force.
Air
Air
Force.
Force.
And his son is in Navy.
Submarine.
Submarine.
Wow, what a great family.
Yes.
Continuing his legacy.
Continuing his legacy.
Continuing his legacy. Yeah, it is going to be a very interesting event.
I also remember I was reading about him yesterday, and I saw he was one of the first person to fly an air-to-air refueler.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He was pioneer of
pioneering
that,
that.
for Indian Air Force.
Like he was the stalwart of it, that only squadron of air-to-air refuelers.
Number 78 squadron.
Number 78 squadron. Yes.
This is actually a major achievement.
Major achievement.
But explain this to people in simpler terms, for those who don't know, because we know that it is a very great
Very
achievement.
great
Some
achievement.
people don't know that.
Yes. So air-to-air refueling is very hard. Very less countries can achieve it.
Yeah.
Yes. And India has, I guess, only one squadron, the number 78.
Number 78 squadron.
Yes. So he has flown air-to-air refueler aircraft, and it is very difficult. You have to fly at very high speed. You have to coordinate with the other 2-3 fighter jets.
Yeah.
And he also flew the AWACS aircraft, the Airborne Early Warning Control System aircraft.
Oh.
Yes, and India has
Wow.
very less amount of that aircrafts, and very few pilots are specialists in that.
Like
Yeah.
guys, imagine like when we were kids, we all wanted to become like president or astronauts
Astronauts.
or
We-
fly a plane.
I maybe all might agree on this. Like every time a plane flew over the house, we used to get into windows and look at the
I
sky.
still do.
Yes.
Yes,
I
me
still
too.
do.
Yes,
Yeah.
we still do. I remember when I saw Top Gun Maverick, I was like, this is the best movie.
Yeah.
These scenes, the way Tom Cruise flew. Now I know he's the real life Tom Cruise.
Wow.
Pretty insightful.
Just
is
watching
actually
the
great.
movie can motivate us so much.
Yes.
Just imagine if
Like,
we get to
Get to do
meet
that,
them
huh.
in person.
Like very few people pursue their dream jobs, and also becoming a legendary figure in that dream job
Yes, yes.
is something sort of an extraordinary thing. Like we have so much border tensions or so much
Yes.
political issues, and handling them at that level.
You know
Needs-
why should I wanted like a
Him as a
military
guest.
military background or him as a guest, because students need to see that our problems are so
Contemporary.
minor, so mini
Hmm.
for this world.
Yes.
Like
Like their problems are very big in front of us.
They are major.
Major.
We are like अच्छा है ठंड है.
नहीं लाइक कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स होते हैं एंड हम अपने ही लाइक लाइफ में इतना खुद को बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स को इतना बड़ा दिखाते हैं, खुद सोचते हैं लाइक स्टिल मेरे को भी स्ट्रेस आता है इवेंट का. ये कोई स्ट्रेस लेने की बात हुई.
कि हमारा कितना स्मॉल स्केल प्रॉब्लम्स है, हम मैक्रो लेवल पे कभी देखते ही नहीं है
हाँ.
कि लोगों को कितनी इश्यूज है बाहर एक्चुअली,
लाइक
और हमें कितना पॉजिटिव आउटलुक रखना चाहिए हर सिचुएशन में, या कितना अग्रेसिवली हमें कोई सिचुएशन हैंडल करनी चाहिए. तो आई थिंक
लाइक जब वो कोई वॉर या ऑपरेशंस के लिए जाते हैं एंड द अमाउंट ऑफ अमाउंट ऑफ प्रेशर ही मस्ट बी कैरिंग विथ हिम
Yeah.
कि
Hmm.
वो एग्जीक्यूशन कैसा होगा एंड उसका इम्पैक्ट सिर्फ उन पे नहीं है, पूरे पूरे
Country
कंट्री पे
पे.
है.
Like we can
Every
remember the
decision-
Kargil war,
हाँ,
but he
every
was
decision.
there in the air force.
Every decision takes your country into threat.
Yes. Like Kargil war is like a major achievement.
अगर हमें उस प्रेशर में डाल दिया, आई डोंट नो कि मैं एग्जिस्ट करोगे उसके बाद. लाइक बहुत.
So I remember Siddhi talking about some part of their conversation.
हाँ हाँ
So like he told Siddhi
हाँ.
not to be stagnant once you get out of the college.
हाँ.
Right? Just be explore more.
लाइक अभी मैं रीड कर रही थी तो उनके और भी अचीवमेंट्स हैं. लाइक ही वाज अपॉइंटेड बाय रक्षा मंत्री फॉर एस्टैब्लिशिंग 100 न्यू सैनिक स्कूल्स एंड he has led the project for the operationalization of Boeing 777 aircraft for the Prime Minister. And ऐसे बहुत achievements हैं उनके.
के पास one of the most decorated ranks है,
हाँ.
वायु सेना मेडल, अतीश
वायु
विशिष्ट
सेना
सेना
हाँ
मेडल,
हाँ
जो कि उनको प्रेसिडेंट के साथ मिले.
हाँ.
That is the most achievement of an air marshal.
So we should market our event now.
कमिंग टू द पॉइंट.
Coming to the point.
This was a whole story behind to just market this event. No, it's not that, guys.
नहीं नहीं ऐसा नहीं है.
It's not that. We just wanted to start something new. So that's the effort that we have put in. So Adhyay will be on 18th of Feb, 2:30 p.m. onwards, auditorium.
एंड
Yes.
ये इवेंट हमने कोई हमारे लिए नहीं रखा है, हमें कुछ फेवर नहीं हो रहा लाइक हम मार्केट करके भी लाइक हमें बस स्टूडेंट्स तक पहुंचाना है दैट ये इवेंट हो रहा है, बिकॉज ऐसे गेस्ट आ रहे हैं जिससे हमें बहुत कुछ लर्निंग्स लेनी चाहिए. एज आई सेड कि
And a
हमारे
whole
प्रॉब्लम्स
new different field, right?
हाँ
Like we have 1 hour
Interactive
Q&A
Q&A
session, right?
तो हमें उनसे बहुत कुछ सीखने मिल सकता है, इसलिए मोर एंड मोर वी वांट कि स्टूडेंट्स तक ये पहुंचे.
Right.
जो एक माइंडसेट चेंज करना है कि मिलिट्री माइंडसेट हाउ इट वर्क्स अंडर प्रेशर.
Like after graduation, you can get into Air Force
एयर फोर्स, यस.
ऑल्सो सिविलियंस की क्या ड्यूटी बनती है
towards the nation.
towards the nation. I think हमें ये ज़रूर सीखना चाहिए as a student and as a सिटीजन ऑफ दिस कंट्री हम सब रिस्पॉन्सिबल है इक्वली एंड हमें वो पता रहना चाहिए हमारी ड्यूटीज.
Like everyone should carry this.
Carry
like,
this.
Nation comes first.
नेशन कम.
I also remember there is one podcast of him with Major Gaurav Arya.
Yeah.
That is one of the best podcasts. I've
Yes,
ever seen.
before coming to our session, please watch that podcast. You will know better of him. You will learn more.
You will
things
know
from him.
more of NDA.
NDA, yes.
Like
एनडीए की लाइफ.
yeah.
Air Force Academy.
Like I got
geopolitics and
jealous.
all.
Why didn't I try for it?
I still get jealous.
But yeah, I don't. I was not aware of that.
Yeah, and
At that point,
also I think it is very beneficial for those who are trying NDA
Yes.
or
CDS.
Yeah, for CDS or
FCAT.
for
Don't
who are
be
trying to
like
get into
Shriram.
army.
Don't miss this opportunity.
Yes.
Like you still have opportunity.
Yes.
After graduation,
Yes,
you
we
can
can
After
do
graduation
CDS.
also you can go for AFA.
I have questions for that. You must be having, so come on that day.
Because the hype is crazy. There is a group, that Air Wing group of NCC in D.Y. Patil Akodi, which is also planning to visit this seminar due to the guest. So yeah, that level of hype is there for this session, and especially for the first year students, I think please don't miss it. Like you haven't experienced Adhyay, other year students have experienced it.
Yeah. You are in first year.
Like you're
Just
still
explore
going through
everything.
the process of maturing at that all.
Like it's the best thing
Best
ever.
thing ever.
I think college is more about exploring.
Exploring
rather
things.
than
Studying.
studying. Yeah.
And ऐसे गेस्ट लाइक हमने लाए हैं
Yes.
स्टूडेंट्स के लिए. They should take advantage of it. Like कोई ऐसे इतने गेस्ट देखे नहीं है.
So
college में.
Air Marshal,
हाँ.
that rank holds it all.
हाँ.
Yes.
Save
That
it all.
It explains
rank says it
everything.
all.
We can.
It has everything. Respect and value.
Yeah.
Everything.
Visit Adhyay, guys. 18th of February,
Yes.
3 p.m. Auditorium Hall.
Marketing director being marketing.
Come at 2:30.
2:30 because
Come
आपको
at 2
सामने
p.m.
बैठना है.
Yes, your attendances will be marked.
Yeah. It will be marked.
And be prepared with some amazing questions, guys, because he'll going to answer every
Yeah.
single.
Don't miss this opportunity of interacting directly with such a great personality. So yeah,
Yes.
So yeah. So thanks to
Let's-
Sriram for organizing this amazing
this
podcast.
podcast.
And
Yes.
let's also thanks to PCT's Infinity.
Yes.
Yeah.
94.5.
Our college.
90.4 FM. Sorry, 94 and 4 FM.
I
Yeah.
Yes,
didn't know
overworked,
there
guys.
was this kind of amazing setup in our college.
It doesn't feel like
Doesn't
our
feel
college.
Like our college.
You have to explore, man. You have to explore it.
That's what I missed. So you don't miss it, first year students.
Yeah.
And
Thanks.
we'll try to make more and more such videos.
Of such
Yes.
podcast videos.
Yes.
Mesa
We'll try-
Insights.
Yes, we'll try
Yes.
after Adhyay.
Yes. With another members.
Yes.
Other members.
With some new members
New
in management.
faces.
Maybe SY.
Yes.
Maybe SY.
Can be TY.
Who do you want?
Okay, okay. Okay, bye.
Okay.
So yeah, once again, thanks to PCT Infinity 90.4 FM for giving us this setup to record this particular podcast.
Yes. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Jai
Jai
Hind.
Hind.